Today is our group project showcase day. Roughly about 60% of our projects are with industry partners. I think the key benefit of our students working with industry is that they are exposed to industry practice before they go into working life. So they already get a much more well-rounded experience before they start their professional career.
Hi, I'm Owen Lee. I work for IBM as an associate technology engineer within the client engineering team. So the project that I was mentoring was to do the gamification of the learning experience within IBM with inclusions of the Think 40 topics. And with the project's outcome, I'm really pleased to say that I'm proud of the team, especially with how they performed and produced such a high quality demo in such a short span of time.
For our group project, we are working with Capital One to develop a spending forecast app, which helps you budget using your previous transactions. What I enjoyed from the project was definitely working with the different people in our team, because we had quite a diverse team, but also working with a sponsor and getting to know how the real industry works. Getting real life experience with a sponsor and understanding how it works to work in like a real life agile environment.
The project we've been given to the students is for an AR machine harness analysis to help us with our servicing machines. It's brilliant. I feel like they created a really, really good product. Very, very happy. I think it's something that JCB would definitely use in the future.
The best thing about the project is that we could decide what to do. We started it ourselves and we had the flexibility to use whatever tools we want and to develop it in whatever direction we want.